to the SiteMaker video tutorial. In the next 5 minutes, you will learn how you can use the website builder of the system to create truly beautiful sites and pages that look and work perfectly on mobile devices, tablets, and desktop computers. So let's click on mobile and desktop sites to access the list of websites. Here, by clicking on the green buttons, we can create a new sites. And in this pop-up, we choose if we want to use ready-made templates, and we do want to use them, or start from scratch. Let's click on OK to choose some ready-made templates. And here we have the list of styles of ready-made sites and templates we can choose from. Let's click on one, and this is the list of ready-made sites that we can use as templates to create our website. For example, let's choose this one. Once we click on one, we see what all the pages we would get when we choose this template, and on the right hand we see a preview of what that website will look like. So let's click on the green button and confirm, and then let's give our website a title. Okay, let's click on the OK button, and that's it. Our website has been created with the contents taken from this ready-made site and template we have chosen. Using these menus, we can access all the pages and sections of the SiteMaker. For example, we can start customizing the site options like the site name, the custom URL and custom domain we want to use, and get the default domain for this website, or the SSL options and files. Then we can change the site header and customize the way it looks, which is that section right there. For example, like changing the header image or adding a favicon, which is shown in like tabs in browsers, manually manage the header menu and add additional buttons and links, or even add some scripts, some custom scripts in the head section. We can then customize, obviously, the site footer, changing the menu and the contents, and customize and enable e-commerce on our website. We will delve a lot deeper into this topic in a future tutorial, obviously. We can also manage login and users, enabling login and registrations, specifying if it's required, and customizing the way logins and users management work on our website. We can then also completely download all the contents of a website, manage the analytics sections, adding, for example, our analytics tracking ID or a Facebook pixel code, our own Facebook pixel code, and then customize the terms of service and the privacy policy contents and documents, which will be linked from in the footer section of the page. Another pretty important and interesting section is the style one, where first of all we can change the theme of our website. This will change only the way our website will look like. It will not affect the contents we have added. For example, here we are previewing a different theme, but then we go back to the original one. Then we can customize colors and fonts, colors of certain elements like the background, the header, the footer, and then we can even add some custom CSS in this field right here. Now let's go to the list of pages to see how we can actually manage the contents of our website. This is the list of all pages, and as you see, each page is draggable to rearrange its ordering or how it's linked to the other pages. To change the contents of every single page, you just click on it, and then you see the list of widgets, elements and contents pieces which are within each page. We can also customize the way headers and menus and titles are shown for each page. We can even add a custom page URL for each single page. And then we can manage page visibility and SEO details. So for example, specifying if a page needs to be shown only on mobile or only on desktop or on both, if login is required to access that page, and then the SEO elements and details of that page. Each page is composed of different widgets, and first of all, what you can do is drag them around to rearrange their order and show them in a different ordering inside your page. To add a new widget, all you have to do is click on the Add Widget button. This will open the full list of widgets you have access to, and then to add it to a page, all you have to do is click on the Choose This One button. While you will find tutorials about each single widget in our help section, as an example, we will change this widget right here. And what we will do is we will change the main title. So we will add some content in this form, in this field right there. Then we save and update these contents, and our preview updates itself with the new content we have added. We can also see how our website looks like on desktop by clicking on the View on Desktop button, and I think it looks pretty good. Thank you for watching, and get ready for the next lesson. Thank you.